Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Beginner S1 number 14, a handy Indonesian memorization tip. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is describing modal verbs using will.
Akan lebih mudah membuat kata-kata dari singkatan elemen-elemen tersebut.
It will be easier by creating rhymes for the elements acronyms. We use
Akan
or will when we want to talk about something that will happen or to talk about a probability or prediction for the future. The word usually occurs after the subject. Subject plus akan plus complement. Subject plus will plus complement. For example,
ke kantor akan lebih cepat sampai jika kamu melewati jalan alternatif.
Going to the office, you will arrive faster if you take the alternative route. For the time expressions that are often used in referring the near future, we will learn some of the examples in the following table.
Besok,
Tomorrow.
besok lusa,
The day after tomorrow.
minggu depan,
Next week.
bulan depan,
Next month.
tahun depan.
Next year. For example,
Mendapat promosi, ayah akan bertugas di Aceh mulai minggu depan.
getting a promotion, father will be posted in essay starting next week.
Dalam presentasinya, Dani akan menjelaskan tentang budaya Indonesia.
In his presentation, Danny will explain about the culture of Indonesia. For interrogative statements, the following describes a simple way to ask about the probability that something will happen in the future. Apa plus yang akan plus, subject, plus, complement? What plus will plus, subject, plus, complement? Note that, in the interrogative form, yang can't be omitted, because it helps to connect the idea of what the question is about. For example,
Apa yang akan ayah lakukan?
what will father do?
Apa yang akan Dani jelaskan?
What will Danny explain? More example sentences using the modal verb will can be seen in the following table.
Lagu apa yang akan ibu nyanyikan?
What song will mother sing?
Ibu akan menyanyikan lagu Bengawan Solo.
Mother will sing Bengawan Solo.
Buku apa yang akan Hana beli?
What book will Hannah buy?
Hana akan membeli buku manajemen.
Hannah will buy a management book. Cultural insight. The education system in Indonesia is administered by the Ministry of Education and Culture. Since 1994, children in Indonesia have been required to attend 9 years of school. They start from elementary school, called Sekolah Dasar, SD, from age 7 to 12. Then they proceed to 3 years of junior high school, or Sekolah Menengah Pertama, SMP. After junior high school, students may choose to attend 3 years of senior high school, called Sekolah Menengah Atas, SMA, or vocational school, which is called Sekolah Menengah Kejuruan. Another common type of school in Indonesia is Islamic boarding school, or pesantren. This type of school has a special curriculum for learning the Quran, holy text of Islam, the Arabic language, and Sharia and Muslim traditions and culture. Later on, after senior high school, students may also choose higher education institutions either to pursue a bachelor degree or diploma degree. For those who want to continue in a public university or institution, they have to compete in the national entrance examination. Compared with private universities, most public universities provide relatively more competitive education, which is subsidized by the government. Vocabulary.
Kesulitan.
Difficulty.
Membuat.
To create.
Menghafal.
To memorize.
Lebih mudah.
Easier.
Singkatan.
Acronym.
Elemen.
Element.
Akan.
Will.
Yang lain.
The other. Sample sentences.
Kesulitan yang dihadapi membuat dia semakin kuat.
The difficulties he dealt with make him stronger.
Einstein adalah orang yang pertama kali menciptakan teori relativitas.
Einstein was the first one who created the theory of relativity.
Sebelum pergi keluar kota, sebaiknya menghafal rute yang akan dilalui.
Before leaving for out of town, it's better to memorize the route of the way.
Memasak lebih mudah jika memakai alat yang khusus.
Cooking will be easier if using the special tool.
DLL merupakan singkatan dari dan lain-lain.
DLL is the acronym of Dan Lane Lane.
Oksigen adalah elemen yang paling banyak terdapat di bumi.
Oxygen is the most abundant element found on Earth.
Ibu akan menjenguk nenek di Solo bulan depan.
Mom will visit Grandma in Solo next month.
Ada retakan di cermin ini, tolong ambilkan cermin yang lain.
There's a scratch on this mirror, could you give me the other? Vocabulary phrase usage.
Kesulitan. Kesulitan.
Can be translated as difficulty. It comes from the word sulit, meaning difficult. The word has synonyms such as kesusahan, hardship, and masalah, problem, or trouble. For example,
Masalah keuangan.
financial problem,
Kesulitan ekonomi.
economical problem.
Setelah mengalami beberapa kesulitan besar, dia akhirnya berhasil menjadi presiden.
After facing some big problems, he finally succeeded in becoming president.
Lebih mudah. Lebih mudah.
Is a comparative degree that can be translated as easier. The term itself comes from the word mudah, meaning easy. The comparative in Indonesian is formed by adding the word lebih, meaning more, such as lebih muda, younger, lebih pintar, smarter,
Lebih bijaksana.
wiser.
Yang lain. Yang lain.
Can be translated as the other, as in barakan kanto yang lain. Give me the other sample, gambar yang lain, the other picture, and pelajaran yang lain, the other lesson. We can also drop yang to refer the other, such as
orang lain,
other person, or
judul lain,
other title.
percakapan.
Conversation.
Kak, aku ada beberapa kesulitan.
Sis, I'm having some difficulties.
Kesulitan apa?
What difficulty?
Aku kesulitan menghafal nama-nama elemen karena ada terlalu banyak elemen.
I found it difficult to memorize the elements' names because there are too many.
Akan lebih mudah membuat kata-kata dari singkatan elemen-elemen tersebut.
It will be easier if you create rhymes for the elements' acronyms.
Bagaimana cara menciptakan kata-kata itu, Kak?
How do you create the rhymes, sis?
Mari kita lihat elemen gas mulia.
Let's see the noble gas elements.
Kamu bisa membuat hubungan dari HNERKRCRN dengan menggunakan kalimat Heaven NER Kryptone Setran.
You can make the association of Hina ARKRC and RN by using the sentence Heaven near Kryptones at run.
Keren sekali.
Sounds cool.
Bagaimana dengan elemen yang lain?
How about the other elements?
Terserah kau membuatnya.
It's up to you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.